Hi and welcome to day 4 of level 2 of our Beginner Yin Yoga course. Today we are going to revisit the neck stretch first and then do some really exciting things. So make your way into kneeling or an easy seat if kneeling is not really available to you. And then just drop your left ear to the left shoulder. Again, you can extend the right arm long, bring the fingertips to the mat, and just enjoy this nice stretch on the right side of your neck. With the help of your left hand, return the head to neutral. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. So right ear comes down to the right shoulder. You can walk the left arm out, bring the fingertips to the mat. And just breathe here and enjoy. With the help of your right hand, return the head to center. And the next thing that we'll do is called reverse prayer arms, but I will be showing first a very gentle version and also the full expression of the pose in case someone wants to go into it. So for this, I will be turning around so that you can see better what I'm doing. So for reverse prayer hands, you can either be in a kneeling position or in an easy seat. And for the gentle version, you just want to clasp yourself by the elbows behind your back. But even here, I want you to make sure that you are not overextending through the ribs. So you're not flaring out like this. You're really bringing the low ribs in. And you can just hold yourself by the elbows, bringing those ribs in and keeping the shoulders nice and low. So this is one way. The other is to actually go into the full expression of prayer arms, which is to place them in Anjali Mudra, but behind your back. So somewhere between the shoulder blades, just below the shoulder blades. And again, the same thing is here. We are not flaring out. We are tucking the low ribs in. The shoulders are nice and low. And we are keeping our spine long. So this is an excellent, excellent shoulder opener. And we won't be here long, just for a tiny, tiny bit more. Really just feeling this nice opening through our shoulders, in our rotator cuff muscles in the shoulders. So just take 3 more breaths wherever you are, either in full prayer hands or just holding yourself by the elbows. And then gently release and take a moment. I wanted to kind of warm up our shoulders because we will be learning one more new thing today, and that is called thread the needle. So I want you to begin in a tabletop position. You might want to move more down towards the bottom of your mat because we will be moving forward a bit. So begin in a tabletop. What I like to do is just bring my right arm just a tiny bit more forward because it allows me more space to actually go under. And we will reach with the left arm underneath, bringing our ear to the mat. And then I want you to extend that right arm long. And just settle here. We won't be here for long, but I want you to learn thread the needle because it is such a wonderful pose. So beneficial for our shoulders. Just take 3 more breaths here. And then walk the right arm in. Place the palm on the mat. And gently lift yourself back up into tabletop. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. So you might want to walk that left arm just a tiny bit in front of you to give yourself more space. And then reach with the right arm out into the space, bringing the right ear to the mat. And you can walk the left arm out in front of you, creating a nice stretch along with the twist. Again, we won't be here for long. We are just learning this. So just take 5 more breaths here. And then walk the left arm in. Press into the mat to gently lift yourself back up into tabletop. And then come to sit on your heels. Take a moment here. You can move the shoulders around a bit. See how that feels for you. And then just make your way into Savasana. to rest, to integrate what we have done today, what we have learned today. So find your way into the perfect expression of Savasana for you. And just settle here, relax, enjoy. Begin to deepen your breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a stretch. And then just roll onto one side. Before using your hands to push yourself back up into a seat. Place your hands together at the heart in Anjali Mudra. And let's close this practice with gratitude. Today I want you to focus on the gratitude you can have for the small steps you are taking, because you know that it is in these small little actions that the quantum leaps happen. Because even a few minutes on the mat, even a few seconds in a pose, does compound into massive change, into massive advancement. And I really want you to be thankful for being here, for setting this foundation, for doing something so, so wonderful for yourself. Thank you.